At this year's Farm Science Review, AGCO provides plenty of new technology and equipment to see. The first thing that'll grab your attention is the new Gleaner Combine.
See how we can operate on a 23-degree slope. We can run on a steeper slope than anybody can. We can handle the material on the shoe. We don't have to worry about having any special equipment on the shoe to hold the grain into the combine. One of the special features that allows us to run on the side slopes or the 23-degree slope is the accelerated rolls. The accelerated rolls, what they do is they power the grain down at 4 times the natural fall rate onto the shoe, and we control the shoe itself and control the material on the shoe.
When you're walking towards the booth, you might do a double take when you see the white planter mounted on tracks.
This particular model here showing is a stripped down version of it, but we have 150 bushel of seed capacity with 1,500 gallons of liquid capacity. And we go basically from a 6-row planter all the way up to a 30-row planter. Benefits of the tracks are that we can distribute the weight over a larger area, so we have less weight compaction. So it's better for the soil, better for the plants.
Right next to that planter, you'll find
Sunflower Series 4610 heavy-duty disc ripper unit behind me here. This is for the really high output guys that have the 250, 300 bushel of the acre corn. Maybe you've got a little bit of rocks or some really rough soils. Heavy duty. This is 30-inch blades. It's over 1,000 pounds a foot. It will cut into any kind of mulch and trash and deal with that residue that you've got.
Out in the field, I found the new Massey Ferguson 9540. One big difference in it
is the way that we cool the machine. And what we've done differently is we've taken away the rotary screen and instead place the way that we cool on top of the machine. So what we're doing is we're drawing air from the cleanest spot in the field from above the combine. With it being a hydraulically driven variable speed fan, that fan isn't always running at full speed, so it's saving us some horsepower there. On cool conditions like days like today, that fan's only going to be running as fast as it needs to be, rather than the old rotary screens would run at full speed all the time. So we've got some efficiency savings there. The other thing is the way that all the coolers, the radiator, the propel cooler, the air-to-air, they're all placed on top of each other in line rather than front to back. They're on top of each other. So every one of those coolers is getting its own flow of clean air. Some of the other new features of this combine is the AGCO power engine, 7-cylinder, 9.8-liter AGCO power engine. The Trident processor, we've got a completely redesigned processor from the way we feed the grain into the rotor. The rotor's new.
So when you sum it up, the new Massey Ferguson combine really is
capacity without complexity. Done a lot to add to the capacity of what the combine's capable of doing, but we've done it without adding complexity. We've actually made the machine a little bit simpler than previous models were.
All this and more can be found at the AGCO lot at 167 Corn Avenue.